Hello, my amazing subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss important updates about working and moving abroad. Also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube show it to more people like you who need this information. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. Are you looking for a faster and easier way to move to Canada and get permanent residency in 2025? Good news! Canada has just launched the Rural Community Immigration Pilot, RCIP, replacing the RNIP program. 14 communities are already open. Designated employers are actively hiring. And if you qualify, this pathway could be your golden ticket to Canadian PR. In this video, I'll walk you through the list of communities currently accepting applicants. In-demand jobs by region. Employers hiring right now. How to apply with the right resume format. And all the important RCIP rules for 2025. So stick with me, whether you're inside or outside Canada, this video is your complete RCIP 2025 guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you're serious about moving to Canada this year. RCIP stands for Rural Community Immigration Pilot, a brand new 2025 immigration program aimed at addressing labor shortages in smaller Canadian towns. It replaces the RNIP, Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, and improves on it with simpler application process, more designated employers, and clearer monthly intake deadlines. With RCIP, once you're hired by a designated employer, the community recommends you for permanent residency, even if you're applying from overseas. Let's look at the 14 communities currently part of RCIP 2025. As of now, some are actively accepting applications, while others are temporarily paused. Open communities, now accepting applications. 1. Brandon, Manitoba. 2. Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. 3. Thunder Bay, Ontario. 4. Vernon, British Columbia. 5. Cornwall, Ontario. 6. Whitehorse, Yukon. 7. Summerside, Prince Edward Island. 8. Campbellton, New Brunswick. 9. Timmins, Ontario. 10. Cranbrook, British Columbia. Temporarily closed or reopening soon. Claresholm, Alberta. North Bay, Ontario. Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. West Kootenay, BC. Tip: always check each community's official RCIP page for real-time updates before applying. Here's a breakdown of in-demand occupations by community. Brandon, Manitoba, food service supervisors, truck drivers, construction workers. Thunder Bay, Ontario, healthcare aides, chefs, general laborers. Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan, butchers, welders, early childhood educators. Vernon, British Columbia, cleaners, hotel front desk clerks, kitchen helpers. Cornwall, Ontario, logistics clerks, warehouse workers, support workers. Whitehorse, Yukon, carpenters, heavy equipment operators, caregivers. Timmins, Ontario, mining technicians, mechanics, PSWs. Summerside, PEI, customer service reps, cooks, fish plant workers. Most of these jobs fall under NOC TR 3, 4, or 5, so you don't need a university degree, just the right skills and work experience. Let's talk about designated employers. These are companies approved by each community to hire foreign workers under RCIP. Thunder Bay, Ontario. Aramark. Chartwell Retirement Residences. Intercity Industrial Supply. Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Prairie Meats. West Park Crossing. Mosaic Potash. Vernon, British Columbia. Prestige Hotels. Nature's Fair Markets. Coldstream Ranch. Each community publishes a list of their designated employers. Visit the official RCIP or community website to check who's hiring. Important tip: you must get a job offer only from these approved employers to be eligible. Tips and resume format. Use a Canadian-style resume. Keep it 1 to 2 pages max. No photos, no date of birth. Focus on your skills, work experience, and achievements. Tailor your resume for each job. When applying, include a brief cover letter explaining why you want to live and work in that community. Once you get a job offer, the employer helps you submit a community recommendation. After that, you apply for permanent residence through IRCC. Each community has monthly intake deadlines and sector-based quotas. For example, Thunder Bay accepts 30 applications per month. Vernon only takes 10 healthcare sector workers monthly. Some towns pause intake once monthly caps are filled. Apply early in the month, first come, first served. Also, many communities prioritize workers already in Canada with legal status, but overseas candidates can still apply if they meet all the job and visa requirements. There you have it, the complete guide to Canada's RCIP 2025 program. With 14 communities, hundreds of designated employers, and a faster PR route, this could be your best chance yet. In the description, I've added links to official RCIP websites, direct links to designated employer lists. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real-time job updates, visa tips, and relocation strategies. Don't forget to share it with someone dreaming of Canada. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.